Today, we will introduce the Media Manager. We begin with the main page. Upload files. Click the Upload button to open the Upload window. You can either click the Browse button to select files or simply drag and drop them into the window directly. Once the upload is successful, the system will display a success notification. Add tags. Use the checkbox on the left to select one or multiple files. Open the Action menu and select Add Tag. Type in your tag and press Enter to create it. After clicking Save, the tags will be bound to the selected files. Each file can hold multiple tags simultaneously. In the poster editor, go to Background or Image. Under My menu, you will see your Media Manager images and can search for them by entering their tags. Remove tags. The process is similar to adding tags. Select the files. Click Remove Tag in the Action menu. Delete the unwanted tags and click Save. Download. Select one or multiple files. Then click the Download button in the Action menu to save the files to your computer. Delete. Select the files. Click the Delete button in the Action menu. Confirm by selecting Yes to remove the files. The Professional Team Plan includes two key collaboration features: sharing and transfer. Sharing. Select the files and click the Share button in the Action menu. You can select specific team members or use the search bar to find them by username or email. After clicking Share, the recipient will receive an email notification. When they log into their Media Manager and click Share with me, they will see the files you shared. Transfer. Select the files and click the Transfer button in the Action menu. Select the target member or search for them by name or email. After you click Transfer, the recipient will receive an email with a confirmation link. Once they click the link, the process is complete. After a successful transfer, files will disappear from your main page and appear on the recipient's main page as their own.